guys, so it is week 3 of the project at the Nook. We are just going to go there today, this morning, just to meet the Western Power engineer so we can sort out relocating one of the meters, and that's the meters for the ground floor flat.
Hi guys, so we've just met up with the Western Power engineer and we are hopefully being able to get this all renewed and just changed and updated, box updated and everything up here as well. And we are hoping to get the meters, one of the meters moved, and I'll just show you where. So we're just in the proposed bedroom now, and hopefully what we're going to try and do is what we're going to have to do is get my electrician to move this consumer unit and just move this further down, and maybe get like a box in and house that in here, so that that can then link straight in to the meter box, which may be able to go underneath here, underneath the window, or just to the side, and then house the meter. And then what we're going to do as well, because I did explain to her, she did have some concerns over that being on just accessible to a busy thoroughfare or footpath outside. But I did explain to her we are going to make these screens, these fence panels higher and move it across. You've got like another post here, so I'm probably going to put another post in there and then the other post fixed to the side of the building, so that you've got a privacy screen across here, because obviously this is going to still stay as a window and it'll be directly into the bedroom. So after that, I think she was happy with that. And as I said, currently the first floor meter box is on the other side of this wall, but it's in the first floor flat entrance. So yeah, that's why I want to move that and separate it so they're totally independent of each other, and just leave, and the other meter box for the first floor flat is also in there as well, so that will stay. So that's the plan. Right then guys, not a lot to report that's happened today. Literally just sorted out and organised a meeting with the window contractor for Friday. So we'll be doing that, and while I'm doing that as well guys, I'm just going to be doing a few tweaks, touches and updates to the drawing as well on ArchiCAD, probably mainly just surrounding these. So these are where, if I was going to put spotlights in, I've just put a rough spotlight design, which is here in the circles and the dashed line. But I think we're probably going to go for pendants, so I might just change that on the drawing. So a couple of tweaks to do there. And then I've also got to phone the electrical engineer, so I've got to phone the M&E the electrician. Got to phone the electrician up today and just sort out a few things with him, because the builder wants to confirm a few things just so that they can keep going with the works and continuing. So the next part of the works is sorting out the floor and things like that, and they just want to know where certain bits are going from the electrician, just so that they can progress with the other works as well while they're knocking out the fireplace and everything. So I've got to speak to them about that, and obviously I need to speak to the plumber as well to sort out when we're going to go in and, well, what strategy we're using really. It's going to be electrical based for the heating and stuff, because I phoned Cadent guys and that is literally it's a nightmare phoning Cadent. I don't know what's going on with them, sort out the gas supply. So I'll do a bit more digging, but I think we're probably going to have to go with electric, which obviously in this economy it's not ideal, but needs must. So yeah, I'm just going to crack on with that, and that'll be probably most of today.
Hi guys, so yeah, not much to film yesterday. It was pretty much more of like an admin-y day yesterday, so just coordinating a few of the workers and things. And I actually did nip out to another potential project, so I will probably, if I took enough photos, I'll pop the pictures on the screen now just while I'm talking about that. So yeah, that's another project that we're sort of looking at, just doing the numbers and things to see whether it's worthwhile going for that. So that'll be something that we'll, if we do go for, hopefully if we do, fingers crossed, get that project, it's something we can start as soon as we finish the Nook. So yeah, that's one thing that we're looking at. Yesterday, and then as well yesterday, I just sort of phoned the plumber just to get him booked in and get him geared up. So I've sent him a couple of drawings because we had a rejig around on the kitchen and things like that, because we're obviously looking at possibly having to put in electric heaters, storage heaters and things like that. So I was just looking through that with on the plans, and I sort of sent those over to the plumber to get his thoughts. So that's pretty much where we are with what happened yesterday. And also I think the rest of the chimney breast probably needs to come out, so it's whether the workers have gone and done that. There's a couple of bits and bobs still to do on the strip out. But today pretty much what I'm going to do now is just give the roofers a call, get him booked in, because potentially we've got obviously the roof at the nook to replace, and also I want to be looking at replacing one of another buy-to-let property that I had. I think I've mentioned this in another videos, one that I brought years and years ago, over 10 plus years ago. That one, looking to replace the roof on that. So I'm just going to give him a call, get the quotes for that and get that booked in, and also book in the electrician to come and have a look and do some stuff. We've already got the window supplier coming to quote us the nook as well on the 2 flats that we've just purchased. He's coming to quote us for windows on that on Friday. So yeah, pretty much an admin day today. I'll be looking at drawings and stuff as well. Not much to report, yeah. Yeah, so just come off the phone, that's all booked in with the roofer. Hopefully he'll be able to come out and have a look at the Calverton property tomorrow, so hopefully I can bring you guys along. It seems to be a running theme with me, leaky roofs, but yeah, we'll pop out tomorrow or whenever he's available, probably later on. If it's not tomorrow, it might be next week now, but hopefully when we do go out, I will take you along so you can have a look at and see what we do on that when he walks around, see his reaction. Hi guys, so it's another admin day today so far. So literally all I've done this morning is I have confirmed that I want to go with the electric heaters, storage heaters and things like that with the plumber. So that's all confirmed. So he's going off to do a quote over the weekend. Hopefully get that back to us soon. And also I've chased up the electrician as well to get a quote back from him. So we should get a quote for having spotlights throughout and also just having pendant lightings as well. So I'm going to get 2 options from him. We can have a look and see the price difference on that. As well, I've got back to National Grid, so I've paid that. So for those works to be done, so we can get that meter we were discussing before, get the meter for the ground floor flat moved out of the first floor flat entrance and a bit closer to where the entrance is going to be for that ground floor flat, so it's a bit more accessible. So that's all paid for and booked in. They've just got to liaise with the residents and the owners of the adjacent wall. So obviously the property that we've brought, it's a semi-detached, so the other side, they've got to liaise with the other side and just confirm those works. So those will be able to go through soon. Little bits of rubbish and things that needed moving, so I think that's been moved by the waste guys as well, and we'll be going there later hopefully. I'm just going to check that the window supplier is still able to meet us there later on today to have a look. I'm going to phone him and make sure that's okay, and we'll hopefully be meeting them on site later on. So yeah, pretty much admin based things that I've been doing so far, and yeah. So guys, I just want to say there will be more videos coming up on Chimneygate later on, but needless to say, when you are removing a chimney, please consult and go through a structural engineer and an experienced builder. But there'll be more videos on this coming on later.
And what's this one? Is this like because this ain't it's like an imperial size, isn't it, this one?
It's old-fashioned box section.
Yeah.
But basically a bit better off chaining it forward,
Yeah.
and then plastering it into it,
Cool.
to make it look nice.
What were you saying again, Mark, about it?
It might need lintels at the top because there's no hole in the bricks up,
Yeah.
so you might have to get Richard to give you a price
Got
off.
some on there. Yeah.
Okay.
That's great, thank you. I have just been going back and forth and visiting the Nook. Obviously we went there yesterday and got a couple of quotes from the roofer and obviously from the window supplier, which you would have seen a little snippet of the window supplier from yesterday. But there's some things going on I think I've just massively messed up. I'll just put my hands up and own up on that. This is what we're here for on this journey together. Oh God, why did I do it? And I said, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. But I just got pushed into it from everybody. I think you'd have probably seen other videos of me showing you around and showing the progress of the strip out stage.
and I never ever intended to take out that chimney breast, and everyone was like, take it out, take it out, take it out, and pressure, and I know better. We took the chimney breast out, and it wasn't, I don't even think it was took out correctly. Do not take a chimney breast out like that, guys. This is what we're here for. This is the raw truth. But yeah, there's going to be more on Chimneygate saga in the next couple of weeks. I'm just, you can see the bags under my eyes. I'm just tired, I'm shattered. I can't even sleep at night because I'm worrying about it so much. But yeah, I'll have to cut to the next day. Hopefully Richard Builder's on it, so we'll get it sorted. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and pray for me, pray for me. I beg you, please pray for me, people. So yeah, hopefully I'll show you what happens next week as the weeks progress, and I'll explain more on the Chimneygate saga. See you later.